Guys, thanks for joining us this week. I love you and I'm proud of you. And until next week, you get to reading, you filthy animals. Cut. Ryan, that was a good show.
That was really great. That was awesome.
Hey, well done. Well done.
I'm
proud of that one.
Yeah, I thought that was a great show.
What the fuck? You call that a good show? Don't forget, I am KayK of the floral printed Aja. And I will make it known to the world that you are literal puppets of Valon. Do you want the world to know that? Because I will make it known. I can make it known.
Okay, KayK.
That show hurt more than a novice's ass coming out of Shirian's study. I would rather wash pots for a week than to subject anyone to that crap you call content. Who cares? You see that I'm smoothing my skirt to maintain my composure, right? You two better get it together before I turn you into the bruised Aja. And it'd be quite lonely because you're the only two there.
Oh no! She's playing the piano! This is not good.
No, that was a terrible show. I cannot believe it. You thought you could get away with some shit like that.